So here we have the fuel rail. There is no pressure. Let's prime the system. Grab our key. All we gotta do is turn on the car. Prime it. Okay, fuel system's primed. Go back and we should have some squirting. Oh, there it is. So all of a sudden we have fuel pressure. So I'm starting to wonder if we got an injector leaking. This one right here. So when I come back, I'm going to be pulling this whole upper intake manifold off again for the millionth time, which involves moving all these brackets again. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to inspect that injector. All right, guys, new injector going in with the actual that seal there instead of whatever the hell is going on here. So we'll put it back in and we'll be right back. Cylinder number 2. Cylinder number 1. Cylinder number 3, 190. Here is our problem cylinder, cylinder number 4. Do you see something happening? It's just slowly dropping. So what we got, 150? All right. Let's do one more sample. Another test on cylinder number 4. One more. It was 150 again. All right. Now we're at 175. Something weird in this cylinder. Cylinder number 6, steady 180. All right, so now we're going to test our last cylinder, cylinder number 5. Cylinder number 5. We got 185, 195, 110, 200, 185, I call it. So here are our results. Cylinder number 1, 185, 1 test. Cylinder number 2, 183, 1 test. Cylinder number 3, 190, 1 test. Cylinder number 4, 150, first test. 150, second test. 175, third test. That could just be excess lubrication going into the cylinder. So there's definitely a problem in this cylinder. Cylinder number 5, 185. Cylinder number 6, 180. So We know we have a constant misfire, cylinder number 4. We replace spark plug, wires, fuel injector, and this is the only indicator now that we have an issue in that cylinder, and it could be something as simple as low compression in that cylinder. All right, guys, thanks for watching. This is an update on the Equinox. I'm going to do a leak down test now and see if we can get anything out of that. Okay, so our leak down tester is set. So I'm going to connect the hose and introduce air into the cylinder. Okay, we got air in the cylinder. We got 80% leakage on our gauge. Okay, and if I put my eardrum to listen here on the intake plenum, and then I disconnect the hose, the air stops. If I reconnect it, I immediately hear it. If I put this into the oil, I hear a little bit, but not much. If I put it on the back on the exhaust, I don't hear anything. So this tells me the intake valves are likely bent, which is pretty much my original diagnostics, but I guess we had to reconfirm everything. So this is an update on the Equinox. So technically it needs an engine or the head needs to be rebuilt. Thanks for watching, guys.